Marriage help us to grow, not just in love, but also in patience, humility, and faith. Sa mga challenges at victories, mas lalong pong tumitibay ang marriage at mas lalong nagiging better together.
You look so wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that. The way it falls on the side of your neck, down your shoulders and back. We are surrounded by all of these lies and people that talk too much. You got the kind of look in your eyes as if no one knows anything but us. Should this be the last thing I see? I want you to know it's enough for me. 'Cause all that you are is all that I'll ever need.
Nakikinig ba?
So
Pangit sa camera.
Nakabahan ko.
So in love, so in love, so in love.
Nag-start kaming mag-meet sa UP. Tapos nag-run kami. After namin mag-run, nag-lunch kami sa Tagaytay. Tapos sa Tagaytay, yun, nag-church lang kami doon. Tapos yun na, nag-start na. Exchanging ng mga messages.
So, hi and hello, and then chatting together, and then nag-meet kami. And then, nandun yung spark na talagang hindi ko mas explain eh. Parang magical. So,
Into the wilderness. Should this be the last thing I see? I want you to know it's enough for me. 'Cause all that you are is all that I'll ever need. So in love, so in love, so in love, 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 so in love.
Masaya. Kasi inaantay namin tong araw na to eh.
kinakabahan, at the same time excited.
Pinagdadasal namin na dumating kami sa punto ng buhay namin na to na magkasama namin haharapin yung buhay, ganyan.
Masaya kasi kakasal na ako sa babaeng gusto kong makasama habang buhay.
They say the holy water's watered down, and this town's lost its faith. Our colors will fade eventually, so if our time is running out, day after day, we'll make the mundane a masterpiece. Oh my, oh my love. I take one look at you, you're taking me out of the ordinary.
Hi babe, this is it. This is the moment that we've waiting for so long and we're finally here.
Ang bilis ng panahon, no? 5 years na agad yun, and yet, parang tagal natin magkasama. Kakilala tayo sa hindi inaasahang paraan. Nabuo yung kung anong meron sa atin ang hindi inaasahan.
This relationship has never been so easy. Sinubok tayo ng kapalaran at panahon. Maraming times na gusto ko nang sumuko, pero yung pangako ko sa mga magulang mo na ako na bahala sa bunso nila, yun yung pinangahawakan ko.
Alam ko, biglaan ang mga pangyayari. Di pa nga nag-seek in sa akin, kakasal na tayo.
Breathe in, take my breath away. At your altar I will pray. You're the sculptor, I'm the clay. Oh my, you're taking me out.
Nasabi kong siya yung the one. Kasi nung times na sobrang down ako, malungkot ako, nawala yung mother ko, nasakit yung airpods ko. So dumating siya sa buhay ko at tsaka si Axel anak namin. So doon nagbago yung buhay ko. Ang dami ko natutunan sa kanya, ang dami niya tinulong sa akin. Kaya masasabi kong siya yung the one.
Siguro sa mga hinarap din namin na problem. Kasi we've been in 3 years LDR. Tapos sobrang dami din talaga namin na experience and talagang masasabi namin na yun yung mga nagpatibay sa amin.
Something so heavenly, higher than ecstasy. Whenever you're next to me, oh my, what was in black and white until I saw your were dead and buried.
Paul, babe, I love you so much. See you later.
Roxanne, babe, I love you so much. See you later.
Are jealous knowing we found service away.